Career lesson number 2. Build a reputation for reliability and integrity. Kung bibigyan ka ng kapangyarihan para mag-promote ng isang tao sa napakahalagang leadership role, sinong pipiliin mo? Yung napakagaling, kitang-kita mo talented, pero napaka-unreliable, inconsistent, hindi mo maasahan. Yung isa na hindi kasing galing, pero consistent, maaasahan, honest, and dependable. O sinong pipiliin mo doon sa dalawa na yon? In the real world, yung integrity and reliability are often more valued than raw talent. Hindi sapat na magaling ka lang eh. Kailangan din mapagkakatiwalaan ka. Lalo na if you are aiming for a strategic role in the organization. Diba? So ito yung mga reflection questions para sa'yo. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, am I known as someone who delivers on commitments? Yan. Maasahan ka ba dyan? How do I handle mistakes? Do I take ownership or do I blame others? Sana hindi. And do people feel confident delegating important to me? Diba? So, if you want to get noticed for leadership roles, yung be that person who follows through, di ba? Yung hindi kailangan bantayan, dapat pwede kang pagkatiwalaan. Because in leadership, trust is your strongest currency. Mas marami kang trust, mas mataas ang iyong emotional bank account sa ibang tao. I hope this helps.